Okay, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SMC with Arewa. My name is Arewa. I welcome you to my channel. If you are new, I beg you click on that subscribe button and don't forget to on your notification bell so you can always get notified whenever I drop a new video, so you can come and check it out. Also, this is the Yoruba and English channel, so méjèèjì ni mo máa ń sọ papọ̀ ní ibi báyìí. Thank you so much guys for joining me once again today. My name is Arewa once again. I welcome you to Social Media Cut with Arewa. Thank you so much guys for joining me once again today. Don't forget to follow our two other channel, History with Arewa and Intimacy with Arewa. And don't forget about the series about creation history according to Ifa that I want to do. And so for any advert concerning that or any support or donation towards that recharge, my contact is going to be down below in the description box, and I'm also going to pin it in the comment section area. And also if you are new, welcome. I hope you stay. And for the returning fans, thank you for stopping by once again. Thank you so much for always joining me back to this channel. Thank you so much. Like blush to my physique. Makeup in madden. Thank you so much guys for joining me once again today. Let's move on today's episode of SMC with Arewa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀gbẹ́ni yàrá o mi ò tí fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú. So gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe ti gbọ́ news pẹ̀lú gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ọwọ́lọ́wọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìyẹn Chief Sunday Igboho tí wọ́n bẹ ìlú Ogun State yẹn ní Yewa North Central ní àlejò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Fúlàní agbénipa agbénigbìn yìí. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe ń sọ nísìnyí pé nígbà tí wọ́n lọ tán ní ìyẹn àná pé wọ́n jó ilé àwọn Fúlàní tí ó wà ní agbègbè náà ló bá di yánpọn yánrin. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n wá ń fi orúkọ Sunday Igboho ní pé òun ló débẹ̀ ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sùn ní sun gbogbo ibẹ̀ yẹn nírọ́. Ẹ má rọ́pò ẹni ẹlẹ́ni. Ṣùgbọ́n mo rí another news kan ní èní náà tí governor of Ogun State came out and said he did not invite Sunday Igboho. Ẹjọ́ ẹ̀kọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ọba yìí ń sọ. Ọba yìí is Ọba Akíntúndé Akínyẹmí, ọba ti ìlú Ìṣẹ̀lú community ní Yewa North local government of Ogun State. Wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ẹgbẹ́ tí yín gbọ́n nǹkan tí kábíyèsí tí wọ́n sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n he is speaking in English but màá bá yín fi Yorùbá ṣó ti yé yín àjàsà yẹn sí ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú.
For Ise community. And would he go tell us either English or Pidgin? So what has been?
They have a car in Igbo, but in the dry season,
the volume is low. Let me put it on speaker.
But where we do have competition between them and the farmers is whereby they put in their cattle. Thousands of cattle. They will go to the maize that the farmer has stocked in the silo and broke the silo, give all the maize to the cattle. So by the time the farmer comes, there will be exchange of words and Fulani will attack. And most times they were always armed with AK-47. Just last year we collected 2. They handed it over to the police.
Wọ́n ní just last year àwọn gba ìbọn AK kìíní kan ní ọwọ́ àwọn Fúlàní tí ó ń da màálù. Nǹkan tí wọ́n fi ìbọn ṣe kò tí fi ibì kankan yé èmi. Ẹ já tẹ̀síwájú.
So that's where and they raped a lot.
Kengbo.
There wasn't a woman they raped like 7 years ago. They raped that woman and killed her in Oloparan axis.
Kengbo.
You see, that has always been the challenges. Okay, when I saw that this issue is becoming alarming, I have to take a step forward with one of my colleagues. We went to High Court and plead with the court that this is what we are going through in our community. And luckily for us, we got a court order, interlocutory injunction, restraining them from bringing their cattle to this area.
to this area. When you say this area,
yes, this area. I mean, Ìṣèlú, Àgbọ̀n, as.
Kí èèyàn máa gbé ọ̀rọ̀ màálù lọ kóòtù. Ta ló ṣépè fún ìlú Nàìjíríà yìí ná? Kọ́ máa gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹranko màálù kọ́ máa gbé lọ sọ́rọ̀ kóòtù.
Sir, even to Ọjà Ọ̀dàn, we name all the community, and the court gave an order that they should not come again. But instead for them, we communicated the injunction to the police, but they came more. And the challenges we are having are the Fulanis from Niger Republic.
That is a king speaking. Ọba ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Ìyẹn ọba ni ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. That is a king speaking. Ẹ̀yin ọba tó kùn ẹ fetí yín gbọ́ o. Role model yín kan lélẹ̀.
There are some that were called Bororo. Those Bororo are so heartless.
Jengbo.
They came in through, some will come through Gaya, from Agadez to Gaya, Gaya to
Èmi ò tẹ̀ mọ̀ àwọn region tó ń dárúkọ yẹn.
Gaya to Malanville, Parakou to Republic of Benin.
Okay, Benin Republic.
Then cut across the border to here. And some will go through Ilela, then to Sokoto, then come to these axis in the dry season.
Ẹni tí ó bá súnmọ́ ìyẹn governor Ogun State tó jáde tó ń ṣẹnu wàhálà pé àwọn ò fìwé pé ìyẹn olóyè Chief Sunday Báṣọ̀run ilẹ̀ Yorùbá Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho. Ẹ bá wa wá gómìnà yẹn kẹ́ bá wa rọ epo sí ìwọ̀n létí bóyá òwú ti dín wọn ní etí ni kan gbọ́n kan tí ọba kan tí ó ń sọ.
And all efforts became so difficult.
Jengbo.
You know.
Ọ̀rọ̀
Then for this year, there was a Republic of Benin. They passed a law in their country that they don't want grazing of cattle in their country anymore.
Republic of Benin passed a law that they don't want grazing of cows in their country again. Ghana also passed a law that they do not want any grazing of cows or anything in their country again. Nigeria nìkan ló kù. Ẹ já tẹ̀síwájú.
On that note, the law they passed, they communicated it to Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Nigeria, and Foreign Affairs to Ogun State. So now,
ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí wípé wọ́n fi tó wa létí wípé àwa ti lé wọn o, àwa ti ní pé kọ́ máa wá rí ẹ̀kíní mọ́ ní bíbà yìí o, wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ gba bí wọlé mọ́ o, tó bá wù yín kẹ́yìn sì gbà wọ́n àbí kẹ́ má gbà wọ́n o, ẹ má gbọ́ o.
Not go through Benin. They now came in through Nigeria.
Ṣé ti gbọ́? Wọ́n wá gba Benin mọ́.
But unfortunately for them, some of these cattle rearers are young boys and they are illiterate. They don't even know the route. Because our land here, in 10 minutes, if we walk in that bush, you're already in Republic of Benin.
Oh, okay.
So, and the border is very porous. So, as at the time they have to go through that, they were going through Asa. From Asa, already they were in Benin. And they were with soldiers.
Yo, ṣé ń gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí kábíyèsí sọ yẹn wípé wọ́n wà pẹ̀lú sójà yẹn that means sójà ní security yẹn bouncer fún màálù. Ṣé tí iṣẹ́ ń fetí yín máa gbọ́ oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú Nàìjíríà yìí. Màálù gan ní security gan ju àwa èèyàn lọ.
They were with soldiers.
Tó ń ṣọ́ wọn.
When they got to Republic of Benin, they never knew. They were already in Benin. So what now happened between them and the gendarmes of Benin Republic? It is the soldier who escorted them that can tell us.
Ṣé
But what we just discovered was that at the time they called a meeting that some Fulani are missing. And police said,
nǹkan tí kábíyèsí sọ láàrin yẹn ni wípé o àwọn Benin Republic they already passed a law that they don't want grazing in their country again. Now the border between Benin Republic and Nigeria which this community that this king is speaking from is his own community that is close to the border of Benin Republic and Nigeria. That the border is so porous, that it is so tiny that if you are not a citizen or that you will not know even when you step into another country, that you will not know. So this àwọn Fulani bororo tí wọ́n da màálù ìtàn ní security soldiers tó ń ṣọ́ wọn mọ̀ gbà tán fi ń ṣòṣì wọn kiri inú gbó, wọn mọ̀ gbà pé wọ́n ti gbẹ́sẹ̀ wọlé sí Benin Republic dẹ̀ ti ṣòfin ilẹ̀, wọ́n dẹ̀ ti fòtò òfin yẹn náà yan wa pé àwọn ò fẹ́ wọn mọ́ o, wọn gbogbo bá bí wọlé mọ́ o. Àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ pé àwọn ti bọ́ sí Benin Republic, àwọn Benin Republic ṣe kí ni wọ́n dì pẹ̀lú wọn, tẹ̀sẹ̀ wọn ò balẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a continue, mo kàn ṣàlẹ́yìn àárín yẹn fún yín kó yé wa.
Just said it was in Nigeria because the place they are talking about, Igbola and the rest of those axes, after Asa, is already in Republic of Benin. That if they are looking for a missing Fulani, they have to go through the Interpol to go to Benin already. But presently in our land, we don't have the kind of weapon that can chase the army away from escorting the Fulani.
Ṣẹ́gbọ́ kí army máa ṣọ́ Fulani tó ń dẹrun tó ń da màálù.
Local hunters, where would they have the gun to chase army? And army were there when those Fulani were being apprehended. So the army who escorted them are in the best position to tell us what happened when they followed the Fulani down to that after Asa area. That's already in Benin Igbola axis. You know, the land, the border is so porous that at the time you could not even, if you are not really vigilant, even as a security agent, you might not even know you are already in another country from this our area. So our agitation is straight.
Straight to the point.
It's very straight. We want the government to set up a committee and look at people here. Children who cannot go to school. A lot of women, they were raped and abused. A lot of bullet wounds here. A lot of schools that were destroyed. A lot of farms and crops destroyed. That's by the fact that the farmers have gone out of their way to lend money. I want to lọ yáwó lọ́dọ̀ Lapo. Nasa, or what do you call
Lapo, it? Lapo, Lapo. Want to lọ yáwó Lapo.
So our people are really suffering here. So we want the government to come into their aid and do an adequate.
Ṣé governor tí wọ́n ti repo tí owó elépo ti dí létí? Ṣé governor tó owó elépo tó ti dí létí?
Put compensation and do a sanity to this land. You see, some felt because we asked Fulani not to be in our land, it doesn't really mean we hate them. We don't hate them. Well, but we don't like the bad ones. It's just like you in Rome, you behave like a Roman. You see, when you live here, nobody can live here and go to the north and start drinking ogogoro and beer in the public place.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ni man yìí sọ, ọ̀rọ̀ ni man kábíyèsí sọ.
We call their police there. We pick you up and take you to Sharia court. And that's our own argument. That this is Yoruba land.
This is what we allow.
And becomes a nuisance or abuse the law in the north. We don't want any Fulani to come here and take us for granted. Because the situation now in our area is like we are indirect slavery. That's the way we say it. Because if you can...
Only we are indirect slavery. Ẹrú indirect kò ṣe pé indirect kan ẹrú kò ṣe ká má fi indirect sí and garnish ẹ ni tá bá lo òyìnbó indirect ẹrú. Wọ́n ní pé when you are in Rome you behave like the Roman. That is Yorùbá tó wà lọ́hùn. Tí wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti fòfin lẹ̀, òfin méjì ni wọ́n lò ní northern states. Kò ṣe constitution táwa ń lò nbí. Wọ́n ti fò kò lè gbé bí àdáni láàrin títì. Káwọn ọlọ́pàá kíní wọn kàn má ka ẹni lẹ̀, kàn má gbé ẹ̀tàn láti lẹ̀ ni. So táwọn náà bá wá lẹ̀ Yorùbá, àwọn náà má ṣe kíni wọ́n follow rules and regulation. Ó lè má tẹ̀lé lójú ṣàǹṣà táwọn tó nílẹ̀ gan tẹ̀lé wọn lójú bẹ́ẹ̀ kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó bá máa gbé bí wà abide pẹ̀lú rules and regulation wa ni. Táwa náà bá wà lọ́wọ́ àwọn náà abide pẹ̀lú rules and regulation wa ni. So if you know that it's difficult for you, they gbé báàgì ẹ kó tẹ̀síwájú ìrìn àjò ẹ. Is that too much for us to ask? Interview yẹn ó gùn gan.
Want anybody to come from nowhere, nonsense of this place. I stand with them. And I want to give a caution to any traditional rulers, no matter how place the traditional ruler is, to be careful, because the ancestors see everything we do. Don't let us sell ourselves out because of oil block or whatever nonsense they are sharing, and give our people as slaves in their land.
Ew.
Are you with me?
We are with you, sir.
Sunday
we are with you.
Is for liberation. He told me that if the government have done the necessary things, there's no point him going around to drive the Fulani away.
Abuse.
And I want to call on the Inspector General of Police to please, as a matter of urgency, take over the full responsibility of the country more than before.
Ew. Shangbo.
I told Sunday Igboho yesterday that, listen, by the time the police wake up from their sleep and do more than what they've been doing before, everybody should leave them to exercise their primary duty. Are you with me? So it was just because it wants the government to wake up. And if you're talking about democracy, the machinery has been there. You see, we cannot be practicing the law without practicing the machinery of that system of government. I want to tell you categorically that there are countries that are practicing monarch system of government and they are doing better. Are you with me? So right here in Nigeria, for democracy, the rule of law must be respected. Of course. The supremacy of the law, the equality of the law, and the fundamental human right of every Nigerian must be protected. And that's our whole agitation. That if a Yoruba man is in Hausa land and misbehave, let the law take its course. Of course. And if a Fulani man comes to Yoruba land and misbehave, let the law take its course. Simple. You see, we cannot continue to live in sin and expect grace from God. It's not possible. Ew. So, whatever name you want to call Sunday Igboho, whatever name you want to call Gani Adams, whatever name you want to call Femi Falana, because they are fighting for the cause of our people, for the liberation of Yoruba nation, I stand by them. Because it is better for you to leave the throne than to be on the throne and being a coward.
In fact,
it is better. I spent 16 years and it's been highly challenging. I don't have any children here, but I still have children who are being killed almost every year. I have children in this community who cannot afford to go to school. Because their parents were being killed by the Fulanis.
They are scared.
I still have children here who did not see anything than going to smuggle because there's no other means of living. And we cannot do it all.
Ani kábíyèsí sọ̀rọ̀ ṣe ni níṣorí orí mi ń dìde join. Orí mi ń dìde join pé ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ o. Ṣé ń gbọ́ nǹkan àwọn eléyìí ni wọ́n ń pè ní ọba. Ẹ gbàgbé. Àwọn eléyìí ni wọ́n mọ̀ wípé táwọn pípì bá pa gbogbo àwọn tá jọba lé lórí, tá ló fẹ́ máa jọba lé lórí. Ta ni wọ́n fẹ́ máa jọba lé lórí? Ṣé ń gbọ́ kábíyèsí ìlú kan ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Kábíyèsí kan ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó dẹ̀ ń sọ pẹ̀lú ọmọ akin tó jẹ́ ọmọ alúàbí tí ó jẹ́. Ẹ̀yin kan wá jókòó síbì kan ẹ ló ń ṣẹnu yín rámáràmá. Ẹ ló ń ṣẹnu yín rédèrèdè. Báwo ni títí yín ṣe jẹ́? Ṣé ń gbọ́ o? Ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ yín rèé o.
I have a whole lot of children out of school. They can't afford to go to school.
Àbí o nígbà tó bá pa gbogbo wọn lé mi lórí tán.
I plead and I implore the government, both the state and the federal level, to please wake up and give the rights of every citizen to the people of Ogun State.
This is the real king in Yoruba land. Ẹ gbàgbé bó ṣe happen. Ṣé rí ọba tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ èlé gogo ni wọ́n ń pè ní ọba. This is what they call king. Eléyìí ni wọ́n ń pè ní ọba. Kí n tó tẹ̀síwájú, ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré gba eléyìí ná. Àfi ìgbà tí ọmọ àlè kan bọ́ta, ẹ gbọ́.
Mo fẹ́ tó Sunday Igboho ẹ bá wa kọ́. Mo fẹ́ tó Sunday Igboho ẹ bá wa kọ́. Bó jẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ péré kó ṣe. Kó ṣe ikú bàbá yèyé. Ẹ̀kọ́ péré ti tó mi Sunday Igboho níbo ló wà. Ẹ̀kọ́ péré.
Ìwọ ló fẹ́ rán wa.
Ẹ bá wa o. Ẹ bá wa ẹ fún mi ládírẹ́sì ẹ̀jọ̀ ẹ ṣàánú bò mí o.
Ìwọ ni wọ́n fẹ́ rán wá àbí? Ṣé máa gbọ́mọ àlè Yorùbá kan? Ìwọ ni wọ́n fẹ́ rán wá. Kò sí padà lọ sọ fún wọn pé kò sí nílé. He's not around. He's not available. In fact, no connection. ṣé máa gbọ́ mọ́ àlè Yorùbá kan ìwọ ni wọ́n fẹ́ tọ́ sójú wa but ṣé mọ̀ pé kò yẹ kó tú bọ́dà wa Sunday Igboho kì í ṣe èèyàn kan tó ń kó obìnrin kiri débi pé bóyá wọ́n lè ti bí obìnrin mú wọlé sí lára wọn ò lè tọ́ bá tiẹ̀ máa ti bí orí ibi obìnrin wọlé síyàn ní ara kò ń ṣe irú eléyìí mi ò fẹ́ gbé ojú gẹ́ẹ̀ náà trust mi ò fẹ́ kó seems important ni kò dá rárá tọ́ bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ dẹ obìnrin séyàn kò ń ṣe level irú eléyìí kò ń ṣe irú ọmọ báyìí àwọn ọmọ tó yẹ pé àwọn ọmọ onídọ̀tí à ń sọ nínú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ kalẹ̀ ẹ máa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ rírùn tó ń tẹnu ẹ̀ jáde wá ọ̀rọ̀ rírùn à ń wírí ó ń wírù ṣáwọn ọmọ tẹ́ ń jà fọ́jọ́ làwọn náà kọ́ leléyìí àbí ṣáwọn ọmọ tẹ́ ń jà fọ́jọ́ làwọn kọ́ leléyìí kẹ́ máa wo gbogbo rọbọ rẹ́gbẹ́ tí wọ́n bára wọn ṣe kiri ìyẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ jàre ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ṣé ẹ rí ti kábíyèsí tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ń ṣe ni orí mi ń wú pé ọba leléyìí o ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ pé paravention tí olórí kábíyèsí yẹn tó bá wa wo fídíò yìí ṣé ẹ rí kábíyèsí wọ́n wú wa lórí ti fi gidigidi olórí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa fún kábíyèsí ṣe ní ṣé ẹ rí ẹ bá wa bóyá ẹ tí ṣe tóní ṣáwàrí ẹ bá wọn fún kábíyèsí ṣe tóní ẹ ṣe kíní yẹn fún kábíyèsí ṣóyè yín ẹ fún kábíyèsí ní style tí wọ́n ṣe rí kẹ́ fi show appreciation ní pé akínni ọba eléyìí ṣé ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí kábíyèsí yẹn ń sọ jáde ní ẹnu that is the role model for you gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba tó kún ẹgbà tẹ̀lé kábíyèsí yìí lẹ́yìn o ìwọ governor of Ogun State tí wọ́n sọ wípé wò gbé ṣọrán Sunday Igboho ṣé Sunday Igboho gan ṣó kọ lẹ́tà pè ẹ́ ṣó pè ẹ́ lórí fóònù àbó kọ lẹ́tà pè ẹ́ àbí ó wá eye service ló máa pa ẹ̀yin Yorùbá ẹ̀mí ẹ̀yin ó mú àlè Yorùbá ẹ̀ gómìnà eye service ta ló bi ẹ́ lẹ́jọ́ kó bóyá o ránṣẹ́ àbí kò ránṣẹ́ ṣó sọ fún ẹ pé ìwọ ló róhùn ń ṣẹ́ ni ṣó kọ lẹ́tà pè ẹ́ eye service yóò ṣì ta ló bi ẹ́ bóyá ìwọ ló rán níṣẹ́ àbí ò rán níṣẹ́ débi kó máa bọ́ta wá sọ pé ìwọ kọ́ ló rán níṣẹ́ tí ó ṣán bi ẹ́ ṣó sọ jáde pé ìwọ ló róhùn níṣẹ́ lẹ́yìn o lè wèrè ìgbà tí wọ́n pé wọ́n fi yín síbì kan iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe òun lẹ́lòmíì ń gbà ṣe yìí ẹ wá ń ṣe kí ni ẹ wá ń dá iye obìnrin. It shows how incompetent you people are. It's just literally showing us that you people are incompetent. Nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní under nose yín níbẹ̀ yẹn ẹ̀yin ò rí gbọ́. Èèyàn kan tó wà níbòmí ló wá rí gbọ́. Ó wá bọ́ta pé wò ó gbéṣẹ́ ran. Ṣó sọ mẹ́ pé ó gbéṣẹ́ ran òun tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Àbí àwa tó ń jà fún gan akọ lẹ́tà pè ẹ́ pé bóyá wo ló gbéṣẹ́ ran ni. Nǹkan kan ṣáà gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe. Orí ò gbọ́dọ̀ fọ́, ẹ̀dọ̀ ò gbọ́dọ̀ dùn. Eléyìí Báṣọ̀run lẹ Yorùbá ní gangan leléyìí. Eléyìí gangan ni ó yẹ kí wọ́n tẹ̀ fún ní ẹ mọ̀ pé Báṣọ̀run òun ni olórí ogun gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá gbogbo ilẹ̀ kóòtù òjíire òun that is the title that Sunday Igboho will win. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń sọ wípé àwọn ló yẹ kán jẹ́ Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò yẹn ayé oyè Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò ó kéré sí oyè Báṣọ̀run oyè Báṣọ̀run gangan òun ni Sunday Igboho máa jẹ kò ń ṣe Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò oyè Báṣọ̀run ó ju Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò lọ ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́ ó jù lọ by far ìwọ ọ̀gbẹ́ni Apostle Imam Gani Adams tí wọ́n sọ wípé Yorùbá ò ṣe é jà fún tó bá jà fún Yorùbá àwọn Yorùbá kan ń bú ẹ pé o kì í ṣakin ìjà tó fi ń jà fún Yorùbá for more than 28 years èyí tí Sunday Igboho ṣe ní ìsìn kò lè beat rẹ́kọ̀dì yẹn sà ẹ má bínú èmi fẹ́ béèrè lọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà rere ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá rere ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ogun èwo ni ìyẹn Apostle Imam Ààrẹ Gani Adams ń bá yín jà fún 28 years èmi ò mọ mo béèrè ní o mi ò mọ ogun tó ti bá yín lọ jà o nílẹ̀ Yorùbá o torí ààrẹ ní pòun tí ń jogun fún yín for more than 28 years ẹ wá fẹ́ pòun tì ipe torí ẹ̀yọ̀ kan tí Sunday Igboho ṣe this man is just jealous of this guy Imam Apostle Gani Adams is just jealous of Sunday Igboho ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀yọ̀ kan péré ó lè ná rẹ́kọ̀dù 28 years tó ń jọ yín lójú ṣe rí ẹ̀yọ̀ kan péré tí Igboho ṣe yẹn ó ná patterns in the next 10 generation to come kò lè ṣe kíni kò lè erase ẹ̀ ẹyọ kan yẹn ó ná gbogbo 28 years existence yín dànù ó ná dànù ó gba sígbó ó gba rẹ́kọ̀dì 28 years yín ó gba sígbó ni tí wọ́n ti sun níná dànù ẹyọ kan péré tó ṣe yìí ó beat yín hands down kò tẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ kò bá yín du oyè yín torí oyè yín gan kéré sí oyè tóun fẹ́ jẹ ó kàn ṣe kí ni ó ń ta yín lára pé gbogbo yín ò pariwo yín ni ta ló fẹ́ pariwo yín èyí tó ti pariwo yín láti jọjọ́ èwo lẹ́yìn gbọ́ tẹ́ ẹ dìde sí expect kí wọ́n wá pè yín ẹni 5 million foot soldiers èmi mọ̀ bí tó Ààrẹ Imam Gani Adams tí náà wọ́n ní 500 million foot soldiers èmi ò mọ bí tí wọ́n kó sí o ẹ bá wa bí wọ́n pé 500 million food soldiers ẹni níbo lẹ dà wọ́n sí kẹ́ ẹ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn wọ́n dẹ̀ náwọn tí ń jagun fún yín for more than 28 years ẹ wá fẹ́ pa àwọn tì fún Ìgbòho wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ń ka òun náà la tún béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín pé ẹgbẹ́ ogun wo ni Gani Adams ń bá yín jà o wọ́n náwọn ti lọ sí ẹ̀wọ̀n torí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá rí àwọn ti fi ara gbọ́ta àwọn ti ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ fódìdí 28 years ẹ wá ń pè àwọn ní pé kinní kan làwọn ní ìsinyìí èmi ò mọ̀ torí gẹ́gẹ́ bí mi ṣe jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá èmi ò mọ̀ mi ò rán Apostle Imam Gani Adams lọ sí ogun kankan rí débi pé wọ́n lè wá jáde lọ́la category kápá àwọn jà ogun fún mi ò rán wọn lógun kankan èmi ò dẹ̀ rógun kankan tí wọ́n jà fún mi bóyá wọ́n wá jà fún wọn tó ń gbọ́ mi yìí o mi ò mọ̀ kọ́mẹ̀ntì ẹ̀ sísàlẹ̀ jẹ́ ká jọ gbé wò ìyẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ eléyìí is a bonus one mo fẹ́ ṣe ṣòfò lè lọ́tọ̀ ní bóyá kí n sáré include sínú eléyìí so àwọn family àwọn ṣe ń sọ pé family náà pèrè àwọn náà àwọn family tó jẹ́ relatives ìyàwó ọmọ Auto Bola Ṣọlá wọ́n ní pé kí a jọ kí gbogbo ọmọ abí ayé kan bá wa bẹ̀ Bọ́lá pé kó jọ o kó má sọ ọmọ àwọn di opó ọ̀sán gangan pẹ̀lú àwọn èpè rabati tó ń sọ wípé ọmọ òun máa ń ṣánkún ṣe mọ̀ kó tọ́mọ ẹ̀ bá ti ṣánkún ọmọ tàwọn ti di opó ọ̀sán gangan kó jọ kó wọ ìkúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ títí ọmọ ò bá jọ lójú kó ṣàròpọ̀ obìnrin kan ló bí ìyàwó tó fẹ́ níyìn ó dẹ̀ bí ọmọ tó gbé dání kó má sọ ọmọ àwọn di opó ọ̀sán gangan pé kí ó jọ kó tú okùn lọ́rùn ọmọ ẹ̀ ìyẹn Ṣọlá èwo ni àwọn èpèpè ó máa ṣánkún ó máa ṣègbà ó máa ṣàgbọ̀n ìyàn kan depend lé lórí kó. Okay, you know what máa throw mi ò ní throw ti ẹ lọ continue ti Auto Bola yẹn just go to Intimacy with Arewa. I will continue the gist of that Auto Bola in Intimacy with Arewa and also with the one of MC Oluomo that is going on. I will put both in Intimacy with Arewa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa podcast ẹ jẹ́ ká fi sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. So ẹ lọ sí Intimacy. I'm going to drop the link down below. So just go to that channel and listen to Auto Bola and MC Oluomo issue over there. Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí BBC Yorùbá ẹgbọ́n nǹkan.
Tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ìbàràpá ní gọ́gbọ̀n ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ìbàràpá náà wọ́n ti lọ sí ìgbò àwọn ti dáná sílé Sẹ́ríkì wọ́n dẹ̀ ti pa àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wọ́n ti yìnbọn fáwọn màálù. Kò dẹ̀ sí gbèsè kan táwọn gbé ju wípé kọ́ lọ́wọ́ bá dáàbò bò wá àwọn agbófinró wà káàkiri tán lè káàkiri àtẹ̀ṣe mọ̀ à ń bẹ lọ́run kọ́là tí àjọba ni. Kò sí nǹkan táwọn ṣe. Ṣé ìṣe kan wà tó lúwẹ̀ ẹni tí èèyàn lè ṣe tí ju tọ́lọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ní Ìgbòho Yewa North Local Government wọ́n dáná sun ilé Sẹ́ríkì yẹn wọ́n dáná sun ọjà wọ́n yìnbọn fáwọn màálù wọ́n dẹ̀ pa àṣìgbọ́ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bá àṣìgbọ́ lé èèyàn kan lọ́ ṣe pa wọ́n dáná sun fún ẹ̀ Aláàjì Jíjí lórúkọ ẹni tí wọ́n pa ẹ̀ tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn. À ń bẹ lọ́run kọ́ ló ń bá wa tẹ́rọ̀ bọ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. A ti sọ fún ìjọba àwọn agbófinró náà ti débẹ̀ láàárọ̀ ẹ̀ kọmíṣánná fúnra rẹ̀ ti lọ síbẹ̀ wọn àti DC àtàwọn kọ́ńvọ̀ ẹ̀ wọ́n ti lọ síbẹ̀ wọ́n ti lọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. ẹ rògbòdò yẹn òṣìṣẹ́ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ń bì kan fún bọ̀t àwọn gbogbo ọkàn kò sẹ́ni tọ́kàn ẹ̀ balẹ̀. àwọn èèyàn wa gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ti kó ẹrù wọn tí wọ́n ti ń lọ ló pọ̀ jù lọ wa wọ́n ti ń padà sí ibi tí àlàáfíà wa. a dẹ̀ sọ fún wọn pé kán dúró kán ní sùúrù kán fọkàn wọn balẹ̀. ọ̀tà àlàáfíà kan àìtí rí kókó ẹ̀.
Ó ní òun sọ fún wọn pé kí wọ́n má lọ kí wọ́n ní sùúrù kí wọ́n fọkàn balẹ̀. Báwo ni Miyetti Allah ṣe ní káwọn Fúlàní ẹgbẹ́ òun kọ́ má lọ? Àbẹ́ẹ̀rí mo gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn mo kọ̀ rẹ́rìn pé serious trouble o. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ náà wọ́n fẹ́ sá lọ pínlẹ̀ Yorùbá pé àyà àwọn ọjà kò sẹ́ẹ̀fù mọ́ ìwọ ní kọ́ má lọ kọ́ ní sùúrù. Ẹ má gbà wá lórí ilẹ̀ onílẹ̀. Ẹ má wọlé tó ń dictate fún wa. Òun bá wa gbàlejò on our behalf. That is a Fulani man speaking. Shebi you can hear the Yoruba. How many of you can actually say that person speaking is not a Yoruba? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń pariwo wípé àwọn tó lọ sun ilé olóyè Sunday Igboho Hausa ni wọ́n sọ lẹ́nu èdè Fulani ni wọ́n sọ. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ pé Fulani kan ló sọ Yorùbá yìí o? Ṣé ẹ lè ever believe wípé Yorùbá kọ́ lẹni tó sọ̀rọ̀ tán tẹ́ gbọ́ yìí? Ìyẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo sọ wípé BBC Yorùbá. Ẹ wá o. Mo sọ fún yín wípé ó get as it be. Why are they so eager whenever they think about it that they want to speak with Miyetti Allah? Why is Miyetti Allah so eager to even speak with BBC Yoruba? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. BBC Yoruba said they went to this said incident place. You can watch a live. Number one, òyìnbó ganan tẹ̀ ń sọ live ẹ̀ wọ́n sọ Yorùbá. Wọ́n pẹ̀lú àwọn ní BBC Yoruba. Number two, ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, ó ń sọ ṣé mo tẹ́ bá tí Hausa tí Fulani àbí Hausa tó máa ń sọ English ẹ máa mọ̀ pé ẹ máa tètè mọ̀ pé ẹni yìí ò ń ṣe Hausa lélẹ̀ àbí kinní kan lélẹ̀ ẹ máa tètè detect that person speaking. Go to their Facebook and look at it there. Kò ń ṣe pé bóyá mò ń parọ́. Go and listen to go and read people reaction to it. Go and read Yoruba reaction to it over there. You will know that I know what I'm talking about. There is something that is going on. between this BBC Yoruba, there's something that we need to take note about BBC Yoruba. I don't think that BBC Yoruba is actually for Yoruba. Mi ò rò bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó tó kéèyàn fojú wò wọ́n dáadáa. Kéèyàn fi ojú ṣùnùkùn wo ọ̀rọ̀ BBC Yoruba. You said you went to where the incident happened. Why are you not interviewing people that are victims? Why are nobody interviewing victims, for crying out loud? Ẹ lọ ìgangan, ẹ rí àwọn victims sílẹ̀, ẹ interview wọn. Kí ló ti ń pè bọ̀dá Délé Momodu náà? Ó gba gangan lọ kó lọ wá àwọn tí nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kó lọ interview. Ìyẹn bàbá Kọ́lá Olóòtú, ó interview Ìgbòho tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí lẹ́nu, ó gbé Gani Adams wá, ó tún ṣe kínní. Mr. Kola Olóòtú, you call yourself a professional journalist. Why ti Mr. Kola Olóòtú? Ṣebí jà Yorùbá náà ni, ṣebí Yorùbá ni wọ́n. Kí ni distance tó wà láàrin Ìbàdàn sí Ìgangan? Tí Mr. Sunday Kola Olóòtú ò lè gbé mọ́tò kí wọ́n níṣó lọ́hùn, kí wọ́n lọ interview, kí wọ́n lọ fọ̀rọ̀ wọ́rọ̀kù ní àwọn tí nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ sí, ní àwọn tí wọ́n tẹ́ pé èèyàn wọn kú tó bá a lọ, láwọn tí tó yẹ pé wọ́n jẹ́ victims. But no, they did not do that. Wọ́n lè lọ interview àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ pé àwọn gogo nìkan ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. BBC Yorùbá the same thing. Lọ bá àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n wà ní community yẹn, àwọn tó ń suffer àwọn àgbẹ̀, àwọn tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn wọn ti kú tí wọ́n ti pa àwọn táwọn Fúlàní agbénikú yìí tí wọ́n ti gbá wọn lọ, tí wọ́n ti pa wọ́n, tí wọ́n ti ṣe wọ́n ní jàǹbá. Lọ interview wọn. Kẹ́ ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ bí gómìnà, bí àwọn gómìnà, bí government ṣe máa compensate àwọn families bẹ́ẹ̀. You people did not do that one. Lẹ́yìn kẹ́ máa interview Ìgbòho, kẹ́ máa interview Gani Adams, kẹ́ máa béèrè question tí ò relevant sí nǹkan tá à ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ṣé wọ́n rán gbogbo yín wá ni? Were you people paid for this? Torí ó rà pé kò ká yín lára much. Were you people paid for this? But ká ní pé Kọ́lá Olóòtú fẹ́ lọ interview Sakamanji Olúborí, ẹ bá ń bẹ̀. Ká ló fẹ́ lọ ṣe coverage ìyẹn bàbá Kasali, you go meet am there. Kò ní ro lójú láti lọ. Ó lọ sí Ìgangan kó lọ ṣe ìfòníwérọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn tí nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Ẹ pera yín BBC Yorùbá, ẹ lọ sí ibi tí nǹkan ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ogun State, ẹ lọ fọ̀rọ̀ wọ́rọ̀ lọ́la àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n wà ní communities yẹn. Kẹ́ ẹ béèrè bọ́rọ̀ ṣe jẹ́, àwọn tí wọ́n lose nǹkan, kẹ́ ẹ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, kẹ́ ẹ interview wọn. Ṣe gbogbo yẹn. Èmi kàn ní kémi sọ tèmi ni o. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, is it possible for us to stop? Ṣé ó possible kí Yorùbá má jẹ màlúù mọ́ ni? Can we boycott it? Can we boycott it? Sometimes, if there's no demand, supply will be wasted. If there's no demand for something, there wouldn't be supply. Ṣé Yorùbá ò lè bypass ẹran màlúù ni? But tá bá ti ní ká sọ ẹni ṣe máa sọ wípé kí ni oúnjẹ tán fẹ́ jẹ, àwọn tó yẹ pé màlúù ni wọ́n ń tà tí wọ́n fi ṣe business nǹkan, kìnìkan. Nǹkan tẹ́yìn Yorùbá máa sọ náà nìyẹn. So tí ready. If you people, if we can actually boycott gbogbo àwọn màálù, ká boycott màálù, they will understand. Ọpọlọ orí wọn pé àbí ta ló ń jẹ màálù tí wọ́n ń tà, ṣé Fúlàní jẹ màálù ni? Ṣé wọ́n ń jẹ màálù ni? Ká ní pé a lè boycott here, it would have been better. That is another punishment on its own entirely. But tabadika sọ, ẹ̀yin Yorùbá yìí náà lè máa tako èèyàn. Ẹ̀yin Yorùbá yìí náà ni ẹ máa tako ènìyàn.